is an
Excel dashboard is a visual representation of multi-layered data in one place. It helps in reducing the number of charts graphs in a data-heavy presentation. So, let's see how it works. Here is an Excel sheet of data collected by a survey for understanding the fashion consciousness of customers. There are questions about their current wardrobe style and the source of their information on fashion trends. There is also information on their demographics. We need to represent this data with graphs in an interesting way on a single Excel sheet. We will start making pivot tables and charts as per the requirements which we think are important. Go to Insert menu and click on Pivot Table. Select the new worksheet for output. You can drag and drop the variables in the row and column. Also, the variable to be measured should be added to the value field. You can change the output of the data as desired. For example, whether to represent the data as pure values or in terms of percentages. There are multiple options to representation of data. Select the option which will give the suitable output as per your requirement. Once it is done, click on the pivot chart and select the appropriate format. Here is the first pivot table and a pivot chart that we made. You can work on the graph and make it more readable. You can modify the value fields and change the way the graphs look. These are the multiple ways to make the graph more interesting to read. You can follow these steps. Make sure you name the sheets for quick referencing. We can make multiple graphs like this and keep them on separate sheets. Once you create a few charts, you can make a dashboard in the new sheet and it can be designed as per the color, design, and pattern. Copy the charts on the dashboard. Now let's work on the slicer. Select the first graph, then go to the Insert menu and click on the slicer. Select the field which you want to analyze in connection with the current graph and click on OK. You may add a slicer for each graph separately. Once you insert one or more slicers, right-click on each slicer and click on Report Connections. Select the pivot tables that you want to connect. Repeat it for all slicers. And now you are ready. You can show data in multiple ways without creating a graph for each. Select the variable which you want to show in a graphical way. For example, the data can be shown only for Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities or for both. Similarly, other variables like gender and occupation can also be checked. You can add multiple slicers as and when required. The beauty of the Excel dashboard is you can show the data without creating multiple graphs. This is the major advantage of the Excel dashboard. If you liked the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.